In the previous video tutorial, we saw how we could define a simple rule and which was basically running in the background, preventing users creating new duplicates. In this video tutorial, we will see how we can utilize that rule to detect our existing duplicates in the contact table. What we need to do is we can run the bulk detection job from two places. The first one is from the ribbon, but at the moment I'm missing the button for duplicate detection. I can get that button very quickly by just going under the rule here and opening the rule, and just make sure that under the enable for list view it says yes. If I don't wish to do that, I can of course also run the bulk detection job within the rule, which is up here on the ribbon. Once I save the enable for list view to yes, I will need to save it. And now when I go to my contact records here, you will see that I have a duplicate detection button on the ribbon. And from here, I can just go ahead and say I want to run the rule for the select for all records, or I can also select whatever records I want, and I can run toward that. So regardless what, I can go here and I say I can, for selected records is fine in this example. I can also choose, before I jump into that, please notice that here I have selected this rule. Because I have only one rule, it's already selected. If I had more than one rule on the contact entity, I would have the option to select the desired rule. This also indicates that you have the option to define more than one rule toward a given entity. But in this case, on the contact entity, I only have one rule, and this is why it's already picked. And because I don't have many records, I'm just running it in the foreground. If I had thousands of records, I need to make bulk detection. In order to not lock the window and wait until the job runs, we're providing a background service, which is described in more details in the user guide. But what it basically helps you to do is that you install a Windows service on your desired destination. It can be your local Windows or machine or PC or the server, etc. And this helps you schedule your job. As I haven't installed the background service now, and because I only have for this scenario few records, foreground detection is totally fine. I will say continue. Once I say continue, as you're seeing on the screen, it starts to scan my contact table, because the rule is defined on the contact, and it says it has already found 4 duplicate entries. From here, I can say open report. And if I don't have a relation to these records, I can send it to the user where they can, analyze it and look further into the data. We're utilizing standard Windows reporting services. And the good thing is that when I save this record as a PDF file and email it to a recipient, then the links will guide them directly to the duplicate records. But in this example, I will just close this window now and get back to my detection window. From here, what I would like to do is that, of course, I can open every record and see, why it's duplicate, etc. But I know that is a match. I can from here say show all duplicates, and I get an overview of my total duplicates in my contact table. The next natural step will be to merge two duplicates, which we will go through in the next video. Thank you.